We all waiting for this
Since
moment
1 month.
since 1 month.
And you have 2 stickers here. So peel off the first layer.
Guys, none of the shops have it and I don't know what to do. So guys, we have a knife. I'm not going to kill anyone. The jackfruit tree outside, I found one ripe enough. So let's go and pluck it up. So today morning,
She smelled and found it right.
I was in a call and I was just under the jackfruit tree and it was smelling so good. You know, big ants around the jackfruit. And there was another jackfruit which was over this ripe one, okay? So I don't know if it is crushed or if it is anything. So let's just check. I think we should get a newspaper. So guys, that is our jackfruit tree. We all were waiting for this
Since
moment.
1 month.
Since 1 month, since it was so small. So we'll just keep it here. This one. This one.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my god, I don't think we can eat it. It's
Maybe-
having some kind of fungus.
Maybe the other side we can use.
Oh my god, so. God! It is spoiled, guys. It is spoiled. It's because of. I think it's because of this jackfruit which is on this. And because of the weight, this also got cut from this middle. So I'm
But
gonna
we can
cut-
try. We
Yeah.
can try cutting.
Let's see. Let's open and see when it fits.
You're good at cutting jackfruits.
See, it's not coming. It's stuck there. Oh god. I think this is not ripe, guys. This is spoiled one. The inside is not getting affected at all, I guess. I'll check if the taste is okay. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Mmm.
Amazing. Let's take it inside, cut it properly, clean it.
And have it.
Yeah. So guys, jackfruit experts are saying this particular jackfruit is gone, cannot be used, cannot be eaten. And there's a lot of insect inside and I think I had a piece and you also had a piece. All the best guys, see you in the next episode.
If something happens because of this,
Nothing will happen.
nobody including the
Guys,
jackfruit.
the whole
is
jackfruit is gone. It's looking black. That's how you understand jackfruit is gone. It should look like greenish yellow.
greenish yellow.
How do we don't know that? What happened to this? Yeah, bro, this jackfruit is gone.
It's spoiled.
Yeah, and we had a piece of it, me and Lit. So,
And after that we saw something coming.
yeah. You want chakka? He got the scent. See, I think this chakka, this jackfruit is not spoiled. I think we can clean it. There will be some part somewhere, hope that at least one will be there. So guys, let's see the process of how to.
Dismantle the jackfruit. Do you want jackfruit? Do you want jackfruit, Loki?
So I'm cutting it. Let's see what's the condition inside. This is not in a good condition, this jackfruit. But as we are not ready to give up here, sorry guys, you are seeing this spoiled as we thought. But let's see.
Why do people call it a jackfruit?
Because
Who is Jack?
Who is Jack? Might be some, I don't know, some British person who found out jackfruit. Just like all of our roads and places are named in some other British people. Yeah, come on. You want help? Sure. Riped and mummified. God. But inside it's perfect, guys. Jack saved our fruit.
You didn't know that, Zoe?
No.
The whole thing is known as Jack and the yellow thing is called as fruit.
Fruit. That is
It's
jackfruit. Oh.
And Jack is the person who found this for the first
Yeah.
time.
And is this is an actual legend or did we like form it
This
right
is
now?
we just
will
formed.
update it in Wikipedia soon, guys. So we got a whole plate, guys. It smells
This
so
is
good.
more than what I
Right.
imagined.
Irregularly ripe jackfruit.
It's
this part is
okay because it was squeezed between the tree and another
tree
two
and another
jack-
jackfruit. But
jackfruits.
normally jackfruit grow like that, bro. What happened to this one? He's malnutrition. So guys, you're not supposed to wash jackfruits. You will lose the taste if you wash it too much.
Yeah.
It was open also, so I just want to wash it. It's not the right way, I guess. So guys, here we have our jackfruit. Properly cleaned.
Mouth-watering.
Yum, yum, yum.
I can smell it.
It is so good. I just feel like having a piece. It was so good.
Really?
That was a good piece.
Shit.
Loki?
He won't eat it. Hi. It's very tasty.
I think I will finish this.
If we do this, it will automatically get finished.
Why this much water?
It's a watery jackfruit.
It's been very less time, like might be 15 days, and my watch started getting a lot of scratches.
I can see them.
I survived longer. Yeah, she survived a longer time.
She used less basically.
First step, clean your watch properly. Okay. That is isopropyl alcohol saturated with 70%.
No idea what is that.
Okay. That's too huge. Step 2, use the tissue that you got and clear all the extra liquid. Very crucial step is the next step.
Never is a pro in attaching screen cards.
For
She
anything.
attaches it for anything and
I just did
everything.
it for my mobile last time and then
She became a pro.
yeah. Step 3, take your screen guard and you have 2 stickers here. So peel off the first layer, place it properly. No. Sorry guys, this failed this time.
But it's fine. This is the first time we're trying for watch, so.
The problem is when I'm peeling the first layer, this got bent. So now it's difficult for me to place it properly.
Lay it flat.
Bubbles.
It's fine. After attaching it, you can do it with your finger.
Okay guys, so I fitted my covering layer, but still there are a lot of bubbles if you can see.
Small bubbles.
I can still
Bro,
see my
you can peel
scratches.
off that and do because that's not the
Show
screen
yours.
guard.
Okay, after attaching the screen guard.
There are a lot of scratches. What is lid doing? It's a scratch or because of the screen guard?
No, it's the scratch.
Take the tissue. There are a lot of scratches.
When it happened,
This much scratch.
it happened. It
On
just
a
happened
one fine
like that.
morning.
Yeah, one fine day, like within one night it happened. I don't know.
Hi guys. So we are going out to get tobacco.
That sounds really wrong. We still haven't found the actual tobacco that has to be used for the car. So we're gonna go check out some markets and see if we can find one.
Yeah, lockdown is over, so we can go out
Yeah.
with all the safety measures.
You go?
Yeah, we'll go. Lockdown is over because of that. There are a lot of people here.
Look at all the mangoes, huh? The mangoes.
There are a lot of people. Actually, mangoes is there.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಎಲೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ Yeah, I think we can check it first. ಹೊಗೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ They don't have it here. Apparently the people who buy beetle nut and leaves and all of that have taken it and finished it, so we'll have to go check some of it.
So this is the natural way of. So we didn't get anything from here, so we are going to search for.
Guys, none of the shops have it and I don't know what to do. We'll check out a few more shops and we'll probably return back.
Yeah. I think it's not available most of the area. So these people are saying there will be shops nearby.
In front.
In front of some. This is a marketplace, so you can see a lot of vegetables, fruits, and other things. But this is also full of. Every day the market will be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ಸೊಪ್ಪು Last.
We got it, I think.
Yay, we've got it. Okay guys, so this is one of the most famous markets in Bangalore. You get everything here from vegetables, fruits, home items, pretzels and everything here. So we finally tracked a shop that has the tobacco leaves. Let's go buy them. It feels so weird because it's been so long since we came out. So it's very different and
Almost 2 months we are in lockdown.
I don't think we've seen so many people at one go.
Yeah. Market is also open.
Yeah, it's all open. I think everything's getting back to normal functioning. So, yeah.
ಈ ಗಿಳಿ ಎಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗಿಳಿ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆ ಗಿಳಿ ಅದು ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿಳಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಗಿಳಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ
Not sure if you're able to hear us, but
Yeah, because of this mask and everything, and outside there are a lot of noise. So sorry guys for the sound. So he's going to give that thing. This is the tobacco that we need.
ಇದು ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
Yeah, this is the same thing we use.
ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
So what we said, like it can be used for
Yeah, he said it's the same thing that is used for the rat problem in cars.
for protecting our car from rats.
How many do we think we need?
You can buy little more. You can buy little more. No, anyway, it will be useful. How much is the cost? From 100 rupees we can buy, right?
I told him 10. He said 50 for that. Do you want more?
Huh?
Do we want more?
We can buy it anyway. After some time also we can use it. There are a lot of bagging noises over there, so okay. So we thought of buying it for 50 rupees. He said
ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲಿ ಇಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ
He said once you go there, cut it into small pieces and put it. You can put it at the engine, even on the ground and the holes where the rat is.
do we need to put it in water?
ಇದು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದಲ್ಲ
How much is it?
100.
100 rupees.
He's given us 26. He said 100. We leave.
Yeah, we can leave. Okay guys.
Helmet.
So sorry. Helmet is very important. So it's really different coming out. Because of the time it's not that much traffic. Otherwise there will be overcrowded. Especially okay guys, we reached.
I think Loki is sleeping, that's why he didn't come here.
Oh god.
Otherwise, generally when we come near the gate itself, he'll come running.
So we have to lock the door. Okay. We got it. So I'm going to use sanitizer as we went outside.
Now we are keeping tobacco around the car since we have this rat bite issue for our car. So you can have a look at our tobacco.
So morning we brought. So you and Zoe were searching for this kind of tobacco since last 1 or 2 weeks.
we went to 2-3 shops and at last we got this.
So now, we have a very long tobacco here.
This can be used for smells.
This looks weird.
So now we're gonna make them into pieces.
Small pieces and
No,
we'll
Loki, no.
keep around the car and also in the rag pit.
Okay, Loki is here, guys. He's excited.
No.
What is this?
Loki, no.
So we are making. Oh no!
No, it's not eatable.
Loki no. Loki is addicting to tobacco. He just
Do you know what tobacco is?
No.
Surprised to know that it's a this long leaf.
And he's like,
Yeah, he's behind us.
I don't know what is he thinking it is, but
no, the smell itself is addicting. Like,
So this is a very good. I think this will work this time.
Yeah.
It's not like the rat trap. I guess this will be researched a lot about this. Then at
Yeah.
last we
Yeah. And even Ben's car people suggested about
Yeah.
this tobacco. So let's see how tobacco
At
works.
least this time this should work.
At
So-
least, yeah.
Yeah, it's a
We're
very
out of options.
expensive car, so they are asking us to keep it, do something soon. Otherwise, the rat again bite the wire and it will spoil the car. So today we are planning to keep this around the car, so the rat won't get inside the engine and spoil this.
How does this work? Is it like the rats will run away or they'll die or what is it?
So we're gonna make it small pieces, so we can use it more around the
Will
car.
we probably put this in the rat holes also?
Rat
Yeah.
holes, yeah.
Just said that.
okay guys, we just tore those big leaves into small sections. Okay, she's gonna move it back so that we can put few of the leaves. Okay, Leo's taking the car back. I think these guys are ready with all the sticks.
Okay, guys. So approximately with mathematics calculation. Okay, guys. So coming to the next rat hole location.
This became like a visiting place for us, like every day.
They won't come out because of the smell, I think.
Later now it's like
Yeah, we'll see the result within 2-3 days.
The other rat hole is underground, bro.
Where are the holes?
Maybe we can live here somewhere.
I think there is a small hole here, but rat won't fit here.
It's not a rat hole.
Is it a snake hole?
Everything is done.
Yeah. And we have jackfruits.
No, I'm not going to show jackfruits in my camera.
We already covered a lot of jackfruit. Okay, guys. So we kept our car back just below the engine. Everything is perfectly placed. Like nothing is outside.
So we'll
nothing
see
is
after
outside.
2 days what is gonna happen.
Let's see. Hope at least this works for rodents. Anyways, all the rat traps that we planned these days didn't work.
We'll see, no?
Yeah. Hope this will work at least. Hey guys. So today's episode was full of lot of fun elements and stuff. We have chat.
Very nice.
We have
Eventful
tobacco. Lot of events have happened.
And these guys went out
Yeah.
without taking us. All these guys went out. Every time this happens.
It was
we
an
won't be
argument
left
thing.
out.
It was a necessity, guys.
Yeah, it's
That's why we
still
went
necessity.
They
It's
just left
fun
us.
at all.
exactly tobacco or hospital. It's just necessity. It's not a wantedly.
Next time, anyway, we'll be taking them.
All of them.
Yeah.
Everyone together. we'll
Otherwise
go on a
we'll
trip.
go. We'll go.
Exactly. It's not a pre-planned trip. It's spontaneously we went for. They
Yeah,
went for
it's an
tobacco, we
urgent,
went for-
immediate thing. That's why
Emergency
we
thing
went.
that
It's
happened.
It's
So
good that they went out and solved our forever issue. Hope it gets solved. Hope it gets
yeah.
solved.
So
We have
that
no idea.
rat trap has been a like long century event that we have been doing.
We can try to
We tried a lot.
Every day morning we go check for rats if they have eaten it or not, and then very sad. But
we have tried.
but what happened
Nothing
is
have worked yet.
Exactly.
This is the last
the
and
rat
final
trap
thing
will be
we have.
closed.
We're going to be soon releasing a book about,
How to solve
what
rat
we should be doing.
For a
different
moment,
types of rat
for
traps.
a moment, I'm like, okay, what is that book? I believe that. Okay, so guys, that's
actually
it.
possible.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
today episode was fun, but also there are a few mistakes that we did unknowingly. Only once we get back and seeing the footages and all,
We
we're
understood a lot of
understanding.
things.
We do a lot of new things that we have not experienced before, so we do a lot of mistakes.
Completely new
If you
things.
find anything new, just comment in the section below.
Yeah.
Try to improve and not
Because-
repeat the same mistakes
Yeah.
again and again.
So please do comment and let us know, like, even though if you feel okay this could have been better, please let us know. That will help us, because everything that we are doing is completely out of experience.
And
But
try
we'll-
to answer why is jackfruit called Jack. Say your story. We gave our story, which will be soon updated in the Wikipedia.
You guys can also give your
Interesting
suggestions.
things to come.
Yeah.
you can give us more interesting reasons for that. Maybe if it really has a reason, you can say that as well.
Actually, we have no idea why is it called. We just found it on
Actually, yeah, that's a spontaneous, story creation that created. Even the way she was cutting the jackfruit, amazing. Like
She didn't
do
grow
it
at that.
before.
She's a really
so seamless.
The first time
She didn't, yeah, and it was.
she's doing it like a pro, and I'm like, okay.
And she
the
heard
first
about
time.
the jack.
The first time I'm thinking jackfruit cutting is so easy.
So guys,
That's it for today.
please do watch all the videos, upcoming videos, and old videos if this is the first video that you're watching. lot of you can see our journey, like how we started with exercise, whatnot, everything. Yeah. So comments, please comment below, like the video, share with your friends,
Subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next video. Until then,
Bye guys.